Hi, I want to introduce you today to the Feather Wave Cowl. This was originally part of the Autumn Seasons Club, and the club was talking about colour work and playing with colours and how to actually advance your knitting to include some colour work techniques. So in this particular pattern, it is worked in the round from the bottom up, and you've got a series of different colours that are worked through, where it's got this little slip stitch pattern with very simple cables to create this really interesting feather effect. It's topped with a folded edge along here, and there's a tie cord, an I-cord bind off that you put in here. So you can tighten that up so you can actually pull it up and create a hat with it, as well as a cowl or a snugger fitting cowl. The fun thing about this is that you can actually play around with the colours quite a bit. You just need one set of darker colour in the back, and then you could even have one single colour going in the front, or go with what we've got here, which is 3 different colours. Or swap it around, change the background color if you wanted. There's a lot of things you can do that you can really explore different colors with. If you're new to doing color work or working in the round or any of these techniques, then the workshop is going to be extremely useful for you, because I work through every single stage of the pattern as we go through and tell you all of the little tips and techniques that I found very helpful, and suggesting ways of making it a little bit easier for you. If you would like to experiment with colors and you want to have some ideas for different colors you can put together, we've put some kits together where you'll just have a set of all the colors that you need, enough to make the cowl. If you want to go pick your own colors, then you can go into Newer Worsted and put together the colors yourself. So the Newer Worsted is our range of yarns that has got merino, yak and linen in them. Super soft, very warm and comfortable next to the skin. So why don't you come grab your pattern, grab your yarn, and come join me to go knit the cowl.